Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Jeep Wrangler 2017, only way. Begin by parking level, applying the parking brake, and letting the engine cool slightly after warming to thin the oil. Lay out tools and safety gear, and position a drain pan under the oil pan and another under the filter for catches. Wear gloves and eye protection, and ensure you have the correct oil grade and filter for your Jeep. Start by placing the drain pan under the oil pan and removing the drain plug with the appropriate socket. Let the oil drain completely until it drips slowly, and inspect the plug and washer for wear before reinstalling. Clean the drain area, hand thread the plug to avoid cross-threading, then torque it to the Jeep's spec. Dispose of used oil responsibly at an accepted recycling center for safety and environmental care. Remove the oil filter and check the mounting surface for old gasket remnants to avoid leaks. Lightly coat the new filter gasket with fresh oil and hand tighten the filter until snug plus a 3/4 turn. Refill with the specified oil amount for your engine, start the Jeep to circulate oil, and monitor for leaks. Shut off the engine, wait a few minutes, then use the dipstick to confirm the correct oil level before finishing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.